our physics teacher. This project is mainly based on the subject physics. The chapter is electric current. This is our holiday assignment, or you can say project. In this project, we mainly have to show the connection in the house.
The motto of this project is that what we have learned in our chapter. What we have learned in electricity, we represented that through this project. We have connected to wiring very sophisticatedly, and the whole project is just based on the electricity.
Model. This A model consists of four. One is dining room, second is bathroom, third is drawing room, and fourth is bedroom. Most of the furniture is designed by me and Taiba and Simran too. Simran has designed the beautiful chuma. Taiba has designed the dining table and sofa, as well as I have designed almirah, bed, drawer, and the western toilet. The most
Not sure what I connected in that room.
and all these three rooms have the electric connection. Here, these two rooms bulbs are connected in series, whereas fan and these two rooms fans have other different switch for on and off. Okay, this is what we done together on 20th June. Our expenditure was 600, and this is the result of cooperation as well as hard work. Thank you.
This is a project related to science. This is a science project related to the electricity chapter. It was made by us, Saurabh, Hars, Deval, Uday, Pratik, Ajay. It is made mainly for to show how series and parallel combination. It is made up of cartoons, plastics and food. Plastics and food. And ice cream spoons.
The electrical connection is designed like batteries of 4 volt and 5 volt. There is one series combination and two parallel combination in two rooms. If we switch this on, you can see the two lights glowing down there, and this room has a parallel combination with a switch. That's the switch.
पकड़ो
And a switch is also in parallel combination. You can see just beside the fan, and in this room. And if we come in this room, it is in parallel connection too, and you can see the light and fan there.